Hi everyone, my name is Shayla and I'm the student recruiter for the College of Health Sciences. And today I'm going to be going over some tips and tricks for the Faculty of Nursing for our Registration 101 session. To start off, this is a quick example of our collab program for the course sequences. So the sequences and patterns are based on the days of the week on which courses and clinicals are taught. For more information, please refer to BearTracks for exact schedules. This is just a quick example, sample of the program guide for the collaborative program. As you can see here, there are two sequences, and the sequences relate to what sections of classes you'll be in. In this case, for fall 2025, this is just an example. You can see that the only difference between sequence 1 and sequence 2 is what lab you're in for Nursing 120. In this case, lab D and any D variations will be sequence 1, and any variations of lab G will be sequence 2. And then next we have our bilingual program sample. So the bilingual program is pretty set in stone for year one. And you can notice here for that for the fall, there are no sequences. Everyone will be in the same sections together. For the after degree program, as you can see, for the fall schedule, it is similar to the bilingual program as everyone is in the same sequence. But as you go on, there are sequences for the winter and spring terms, similar to the collab program here. Just some frequently asked questions that we have for here. So what course should I take for the open option/electives? You can take any course that you are interested in. That's why it's an open option. Just make sure that you're checking that it doesn't have any specific prerequisites or if it's restricted to any certain faculties. If it's open for you to take, I recommend taking whatever you are interested in. Do I have to take any courses in the spring? Yes, spring courses are required for all nursing programs. Collab and bilingual students will take spring courses in the first 2 years of the program, and then after degree students will take spring summer courses during their 2 years in the program. What should I do if I can't get into English in the fall term? Don't panic. You can swap your option or elective course with your English course. So how you can do this is you can take English in the spring and then take your option/elective in the fall semester. Can I take my degree online or are courses available online? So the majority of the nursing programs are in person. Some of the courses may be available to take online, but this is not guaranteed. It is subject to availability, and we cannot guarantee that these will be available. So the program is in person, and some courses may be available online, but we can't guarantee that all the programs will be available online. And lastly, can I do this program part-time? Unfortunately, this program is designed to be full-time. If students do require an extension, I would advise you to speak with your faculty advisors. And then next, some FAQs about clinicals. So when are clinicals? So collab and bilingual, their clinicals start in the second year of their program. And then for after degree, these actually start in the winter semester of the first year. And will I get to pick my clinicals and are they paid? No, unfortunately, they are not paid and you will not get to pick your clinicals. The faculty will oversee the placements for you. And then if you do have any extenuating circumstances that could affect your participation in your clinical placement, who do I talk to? If you do have any concerns, you should communicate those to the applicable program or year coordinator prior to the assignment of the placements. And then just some helpful tips. Any courses in the calendar that have a C listed in the approved hours section are clinical courses. So the numbers included are the clinical hours per course. For example, nursing 221, the approved hours are 130 as they highlight 130C on the program calendar there. Here are some important reminders for everybody. If you are applying to residence, you can apply for your guaranteed spot in residence at uab.ca/residence by April 30th. And then June 15th is the outstanding documents deadlines for transfer students. August 1st is the outstanding documents deadline for high school students. August 30th to August 31st is the orientation for new undergraduate students. First day of classes will be September 1st, and then the add drop deadline for your courses is September 15th. If you have any further questions, feel free to book an advising with me at uab.ca/advising. You can always check out our website at uab.ca/reg101 or the nursing website in general, uab.ca/nursing. Or if you have any further questions and you want to send an email, please feel free to contact nursing.recruiting@ualberta.ca. Thank you so much.